Siyaqhubeka-ke njengo-Big Fish tuthayeni nkosami. Ake sibheke namhlanje theory kaJohn Dewey. uJohn Dewey theory yakhe yaqala ngo-1859 waze yaphetha ngo-1952. Okuningi uyoyigugulishela kona. Umene okwami ukuletha lokhu engibona ukuthi kubalulekile futhi kuyasebenza. Then uJohn Dewey lona he saw the purpose of education to be the cultivation of thoughtful, critical reflection, socially engaged individual rather than passive recipient of established knowledge. He believed that traditional subject matter was important, integrated with strength and learner's interest. Lana ke uJohn Dewey uyaveza ukuthi education ubona ngathi uyithatha ngokuthi ila khona esikwazi ukuthi thina si receive information, sikwazi ukureflecta nasentweni esizaziyo ama experiences zethu. I-education yethu ihamba through interaction la khona esikuxhunyana khona ukuze ifunde. He formulated 3 concepts of education. Eyokuqala philosophy of education, eyesibili philosophy of education and experience, eyesithathu the role of the teacher and the learner. Ilapho ama-concepts akawalethile uJohn Dewey. Ake simthole ukuthi uthini philosophy of education. Concept yakhe yokuqala uthi he sees philosophy of education as the way of reform whereby people are living in a freedom time. He sees education that is the one who implements the democracy process whereby people are treated equal, having access in an economic sector, developing school curriculum that involve teaching and learning process. I-concept yakhe yokuqala ukhuluma nge-philosophy of education ukuthi iyona eyenze ukuthini kahle kahle njengoba nanazi kudala ukuthi kwakune-apartheid kanje. Uthi-ke imfundo iyona kahle kahle ewazi ukuthi i-address lezo inkinga lezo. Okusho ukuthini na uveza ngokuthi uma wena unolwazi othile lemfundo ethile le-education, wena ungakhona ukuthi uthole indlela zokuthuthukisa izwe. Uyayibona into leyo. So usho njalo ukuthi ibona futhi i-education iyona eyakwazi uku-address iy'nkinga ze-apartheid ngoba sasingekho yonke into isihamba ngani nge-equalness la khona sesikwazi ukungena sesikwazi ukuthi si-treat equal, silingane kuzo zonke izinto esizidingayo, siphinde futhi sesiyakwazi-ke manje ukuthi sibe ne-access. Uyababona abantu bane-access kwi-economics, abantu banamabhizinisi manje nenibabone bethi benza amathenda, benza yini sebevumelekile, sesisenkululekweni, sesiyakwazi ukuthi senze noma yini ezosingenisela imali. I-concept yakhe yesibili ithi philosophy of education and experience. La khona i-focus on the learner whereby the learners can able to learn naturally in their environment since they socialize in. This means that as teachers during teaching and learning, we should use examples that around the place so that learners will be easy to absorb information, easy and able to share their daily experiences during teaching and learning. This allows learners to able to make decisions and solve problems by their own with their peers in group activities. Lana uyibuke ini philosophy of education and experience. Uthi kahle iyo ingane kahle ziyakwazi ukuthi ingane zifundele naturally. Angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi emphakathini kunezinto siyahamba sayibona. Ingane zayifundela naturally ukuthi yabona isikhathi sesisibonile isihlahla ukuthi lesi sihlahla somncamo, isihlahla semboni ngisho noma isihamba isibona noma ikuphi isihlahla ingane izosho ukuthi nasi isihlahla sendolo, okusho ukuthi ingane naturally ziyawazi ukufunda, okusho ukuthi othisha kumele benze sure ukuthi uma befundisa basebenzise ama-example akhona emphakathini. Yingakho uthisha kubalulekile ukuthi uma efika ezosebenza endaweni ayi-understand indawo, ayi-adapt ukuphila kwayo ukuthi baphila kanjani, ukuze kuzoba lula nayo ukuthi uma eseqala ethi uyakhumbula lapha esangweni ekliniki, ingane ingqondo yayisheshe ifike esangweni ekliniki imajinalaze le nto le eshiwo uthisha eyifundisayo. So ukholelwa kulokho ukuthi isebenza ngama-experience, nanokuthi futhi kwenza iy'ngane ukuthi njengoba zifunda ngezinto ezizaziyo ehlezi zikhona, uyashesha ama-problems ukusolveka lapho. So yenza lokho. Eyokugcina uthi the role of the teacher and the learner. The last step focuses on the teachers and the learner at school, whereby teaching and learning deals with discussion, asking and answering questions through verbal and writing. He emphasizes that as teachers we should have knowledge of subject that we teach, because learners are dependent on their teachers to acquire knowledge. This includes the plan, listen, and accommodate learners' intelligences. Bring visual resources that support the lesson. Give clear instruction so that learners will be able to understand and able to do schoolwork easy. He also encouraged teachers to scaffold learners toward their learning so that they will be able to achieve their lesson outcome. Uma ungathi uyabheka la, uyabona ukuthi ama-theorist alokhu angathi eshinto yodwa. Okusho ukuthi njengoba eshinto yodwa kuyaqala manje ukuthi uyaconfirm ukuthi shuthi le nto le iyiqiniso. Yini bonke ama-theorist elokhu ethi othisha baletha ama-resources, abafuni izinto ezokulekelela iy'ngane, abascaffold iy'ngane, yebo yonke lento. Njengoba besho nje nala ukuthi i-role of teaching and learning idila nokudiscussa, nokubiza umbuzo, no-answerisha ama-question, mhlampe niyawakhuluma ama-assessment, niyakhuluma verbally noma niyabhala phansi ukhombisa ukuthi i-class work ekumele niyikhomplithe leyo. Bayasho futhi ukuthi othisha kumele bebe nolwazi lezifundo ukuze bekwazi ukuplana amalesson phinde befundise iy'ngane. Lokho kwenza ukuthini iy'ngane zikube lula ukuthi i-understand, nanokuthi iy'ngane zidiphendele kothisha ukuthi zifunde. Waphinde futhi ukuthi othisha mase beplana amalesson be-accommodate zonke iy'ngane, ama-learning style, iy'ngane ey'fana beletha ama-resources abonakalayo, avisual emehlweni ey'ngane ukuze izoshesha ingane i-interpret-e bese iyasho ukuthi yini eyibonayo. Wase wathiwa-ke egcineni wa-emphasize ukuthi othisha abascaffold phela iy'ngane futhi abayilekelele iy'ngane lokhu ebeyisiza until they master the task. So usho njalo nje uJohn Ju, akukho okunye futhi akakushoyo, usho njalo mfethu. Ngiyabonga.